Housing challenge or housing opportunity? It all depends, so take a listen. As you guys have heard many times in videos I've done all year, there's a shortage and a supply of inventory, so it is a challenge if you're a buyer, but you're starting to see that supply increase a little bit, and I always think these next few months through the winter time, a lot of buyers go away and the sellers that are actively selling are obviously serious or they wouldn't have their home for sale in the winter time. So for buyers who are in that challenge situation, I think the next few months has an opportunity for you. As far as the sellers go, obviously it's been a great opportunity for you all year long and a great chance to sell for years and years. And ideally, those sellers that want to get their house sold can still do so through the winter time. I think it's a great time to sell and you're still going to get top dollar, and who knows what's going to happen as this market swings around back to next spring. I don't particularly think prices are going to go down, but it looks like we've definitely flattened out and hit the top of the market. So give us a call. We'll get to specifics about your house or your just situation that you're trying to figure out, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one, everybody. Bye-bye.